In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Squarespace website in just a few minutes. Whether you're starting a blog, opening an online store, or creating a portfolio to showcase your work, Squarespace is a fantastic choice, as it offers a user-friendly interface and stunning templates. Now let's dive into the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, whatever you're comfortable with. Once there, simply type Squarespace into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see Squarespace listed among the search results. Click on the official Squarespace website to get started. Now, on the Squarespace homepage, you'll find a button that says Get Started. Click on this button. It will take you to a series of prompts designed to help set up your website. These prompts might ask about the type of website you want to create, your goals, and your design preferences. It's meant to tailor the experience to your needs, so try to be as accurate as possible when responding to these questions. After answering these initial prompts, you'll be asked to select a template. Squarespace offers a wide variety of beautifully designed templates catering to different kinds of websites, be it for artists, bloggers, or entrepreneurs. Take your time browsing through the available designs, and once you find one that aligns with your vision, select it. This template will act as your starting point, and don't worry, you can customize it to fit your unique style later on. Once you've chosen your template, Squarespace will create a new site for you. The next step is to click on Edit Site. This button lets you modify and personalize your website. Here you can replace sample content with your own text, images, or logos. Play around with the fonts, colors, and layout until it feels right to you. Customization is key, so make sure that your website reflects your brand and aesthetic. Spend some time exploring the various customizable options Squarespace provides. You might want to add unique features such as a contact form, social media integrations, or even an e-commerce store, depending on what your website is for. Remember that all these changes and adjustments need to be saved, so it's crucial that you don't forget to click on Save as you go along. Once everything is set up to your liking and you're ready for the world to see your site, make sure you click on the Publish button. This action makes your website live, allowing anyone to visit and interact with it. And that's it! You've successfully set up your own Squarespace website. Enjoy showcasing your work, ideas, or products to the world. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.